Within his portal, Joe can search his company's equipment catalog for a backup skid steer. But they're all booked. He fires off a quick general request to Mona. Got anything coming back soon? Mona checks her equipment status. The company owns 4 skid steers and BAM1 is scheduled for return. She drills into its current project in Tennessee. Turns out it's near Joe's site. Perfect. She sends a reminder to that site super to return it ASAP. At the Northgate Interchange project, where this skid is idle, the site super gets notified. He can check to see the items in his custody and initiate the return. He's been meaning to do it anyway because the project's wrapping up. The skid steer arrives at the yard and Mona approves the check-in from the Northgate project. Let's see how a single equipment breakdown can stall a job site and how a connected system can keep everything moving by syncing the trailer, the yard, and the slab. It's 6 a.m., bright and early on site. Joe, the site superintendent, is prepping for the day when a foreman walks up with bad news. The skid steer's down, crews are on standby. Joe opens his request portal, clicks into work requests, and logs an urgent repair ticket. He adds details, marks the priority, and hits send. At the shop, Mona, the shop manager, sees Joe's request pop up in her centralized request management view across sites. She immediately creates a work order, drags and drops it into the technician planner, and pings Joe back all within the same system. Joe can track the status live, but this doesn't solve Joe's problem entirely. The crew's still on the clock. Mona needs a quick inspection. She wants to improve the mean time between failure and make inspections mandatory moving forward. She creates a work order, assigns it to a technician. The asset status changes to under maintenance. Then she asks Zoe, her AI chat buddy, to fetch the right checklist. Zoe instantly pulls up the recommended checklist and attaches it to the work order. Mona marks it as mandatory and reviews the auto-populated line items. Once the inspection is complete, the skid steer is cleared. Joe's team can now check it out and get back to work without missing another beat. All of it, requests, dispatching, returns, inspections, handled in one connected system that keeps your people, projects, and equipment in sync. Work never stops.